Primetime News this evening, opposition demands a stop order to Portmore boundary changes as standoff on issue intensifies. Regional water pollution a growing concern. We look at the problem and one possible solution. And NWC responds after being blamed for Linstead fish kill.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, no reprieve at the pump going into the new year, unfortunately. Gas prices are going up, and I'll also tell you a bit more about a partnership that's being forged between the Jamaica Stock Exchange and the Nairobi Securities Exchange.
Thanks, Keys. And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thanks, Archie. It is the season for giving, but no chairs for, well, we tell you who. In the Grand Nephew Premier League, another coach has been sacked. That and more a bit later on.
There's always drama in sports of late.
All the time.
All the time. And Romaine Robinson is also here to tell us what's coming up in the weather.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Now, we're expecting this weekend some shower activity across the island. We're also expecting stronger winds across most of the north. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
And it's been cool. So there's that as well. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on complaints from the opposition that the government is manipulating boundary changes in Portmore to favor voting for the JLP?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.